Groen Brothers Aviation is the leading authority on the science of gyroplanes. Gyroplanes combine the vertical takeoff capability of a helicopter with the speed, safety, and efficiency of an airplane. The Aerohawk gyroplane is essentially an airplane that doesn't need a runway. The Aerohawk is Groen's most advanced production gyroplane design. The Aerohawk gyroplane is a 7-place vertical takeoff and landing rotorcraft that will cruise at 300 kilometers per hour with a range of up to 900 kilometers. The Groen Brothers Aviation Aerohawk gyroplane is designed as a powerful and versatile aircraft for a wide range of applications. In a competitive business such as commercial air tours, a gyroplane operates at a much lower cost per seat mile, so the savings to tour operators are substantial. Also, a gyroplane can fly more tours per day. Together, lower cost and higher utilization result in increased profits. And the same is true for corporate transportation. Additionally, increased productivity comes from direct point-to-point travel and the elimination of typical airport delays. Demand worldwide for airborne law enforcement, security, and border patrol is rising faster than budgets. The favorable economics of a gyroplane permits safe eyes in the sky where it would otherwise be unaffordable. Groen Brothers Aviation has designed the Shadowhawk as a high-performance tandem 2-place airborne observation platform for law enforcement and power line patrol. Vertical takeoff and landing is possible when a gyroplane has a GBA patented collective pitch controlled rotor system. A gyroplane, such as the turbine-powered Hawk 4, is an aircraft that always flies in auto-rotation without engine power to the rotor. This is called sustained auto-rotative flight. A helicopter's rotor is constantly powered, providing both lift and thrust, making it extremely complex and expensive to build, operate, and maintain. In a gyroplane, the rotor provides only lift. Thrust comes from an engine-driven propeller. As the gyroplane is thrust forward, the airflow through its unpowered rotor causes it to spin, much like wind through a windmill, creating lift. A gyroplane always flies in auto-rotation, so it does not need the complex and expensive drive system and tail rotor of a helicopter. This results in major cost savings. Because a gyroplane flies in constant auto-rotation, in the case of a power failure, it can be safely landed. And unlike a fixed-wing airplane, a gyroplane cannot stall. Even the recreational GBA Sparrowhawk can safely perform a no-power landing. An experienced pilot can do this easily with any GBA-designed gyroplane. With the performance, cost, and safety advantages of sustained auto-rotative flight, Groen Brothers Aviation can see beyond the widespread adoption of the Aerohawk gyroplane to the development of gyroplanes capable of a wide diversity of applications. The time is perfect for a spectacular period of growth for Groen Brothers Aviation as a result of their unparalleled experience and engineering mastery in gyroplane technology. As a result of its leadership in the field of auto-rotation, Groen Brothers Aviation was chosen by the U.S. Department of Defense to be the prime contractor on the successful first phase of the DARPA heliplane program to design a vertical takeoff and landing rotorcraft capable of 400 miles per hour, twice the speed and with twice the range of a typical helicopter. The Groen Brothers Aviation vision for the future of passenger transportation worldwide is this: runway-independent commuter airliners. Operating from major airport terminals, they will provide fast, affordable, point-to-point transportation while helping to alleviate runway overcrowding with their vertical takeoff and landing capability. Groen Brothers Aviation's future gyroliner is an airliner that doesn't need a runway and could therefore help to solve the world's growing transportation infrastructure shortfall. And the future begins with the GBA Aerohawk gyroplane. With a combination of safety, reliability, performance, and economy, the GBA Aerohawk gyroplane is unbeatable. We are now at the point in history where global budget constraints, airport overcrowding, and security needs make the emergence of these safe, reliable, and economical runway-independent aircraft absolutely necessary.